Recently, I got a new roof on my house, which is great because it's been leaking for quite some time. So, with all the rain that's been going on, this has given me a great sense of peace knowing that my roof is not going to leak. Yay. And now, in the near future, the floor in my house is going to get repaired. My house is above ground, and the floor has suffered some water damage from a leaky pipe, and my friend slash landlord is getting that fixed for me, so I'm super excited about that. And when you have a floor in a house that's similar to that of, I'm guessing, a mobile home, and it kind of has a little give to it and it shouldn't, that's kind of unnerving. But now I have a great sense of peace knowing my floor is going to be fixed, my roof is fixed, and life is grand. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.